In the quaint town of Brooksville, nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, lived a boy named Jack. He had always been an observer of life, content with his books and the quiet beauty of nature. But that changed the day he met Lily. Lily was the epitome of grace and kindness. With her chestnut hair that cascaded in waves down her back, and eyes that sparkled like the morning dew, she was the light in Jack's world. They had been friends since childhood, often spending their afternoons exploring the forests and meadows that surrounded their town. Jack's love for Lily grew silently, like wildflowers in a hidden glade. He cherished every moment they spent together, every laugh they shared, every secret they whispered under the old oak tree. Yet he never found the courage to confess his feelings, fearing it might shatter the beautiful bond they had. One autumn evening, as the leaves turned shades of gold and crimson, Jack noticed a change in Lily. Her laughter was lighter, her eyes brighter, and there was a new spring in her step. It wasn't long before he discovered the reason. Lily had fallen in love with someone else. His name was Ethan, a newcomer to Brooksville, who had moved from the city with his family. Ethan was everything Jack wasn't: confident, outgoing, and charming. He played the guitar, sang at local events, and soon he had won the hearts of many, including Lily's. Jack watched from the sidelines as Lily and Ethan's love blossomed, a pang of bittersweet longing echoing in his heart. Despite his pain, Jack couldn't bring himself to hate Ethan or distance himself from Lily. He continued to be her confidant, her rock, always ready to lend a listening ear or a helping hand. He helped her plan surprise dates for Ethan, gave her advice on gifts, and even taught her to play a song on the piano to serenade him. Every gesture, every act of kindness was a testament to his enduring love for her. One chilly winter night, as snowflakes danced in the moonlight, Lily called Jack. She sounded upset, and without a second thought, Jack rushed to her side. She confided in him that she and Ethan had a fight. Jack's heart ached to see her in pain, but he comforted her, offering words of solace and hope. That night, as Lily fell asleep on his shoulder, Jack realized that love wasn't always about being with someone. Sometimes, love meant putting the happiness of the one you love above your own, even if it meant enduring heartache in silence. He vowed to always be there for Lily, to support her and cherish their friendship, no matter what. Years passed, and life took them on different paths. Lily and Ethan eventually reconciled and got married. Jack remained a steadfast friend, attending their wedding with a genuine smile, his heart full of love and acceptance. He moved to another town, pursuing his dreams and finding joy in the little things, always carrying the memory of his love for Lily in a special corner of his heart. Jack's love story was one of quiet strength and unwavering devotion. It taught him the true essence of love, selflessness, sacrifice, and the beauty of cherishing someone's happiness above all. Though he never became Lily's lover, he found peace in knowing that his love had been pure and true, a love that transcended time and distance, forever etched in the pages of his heart.